This is what National Defence Academy called past question 2025. We are asked to express 1 over s open bracket s minus 2 close bracket into a partial fraction. These are the options given. What we are going to do is we are going to say 1 over x open bracket s minus 2 close bracket equals to, you are the one that will introduce this a. You say all over what this x plus what b all over what x minus 2. The next thing you have to multiply all through by the what by what x open bracket s minus 2, which is the LCM. So in doing that, when I multiply all through, I have 1 open bracket s minus s, they will cancel each other. I multiply this x will cancel this x, this will cancel this. I'm left with only 1. Then I'm left with only b and x minus 2. That's what I have here. I'm left with only what b and x. That's what I have b open bracket x. Now, to find b, for me to find the value of x, I want to make one of these later to be 0. So if I put 2 minus 2 here, it will make a to be 0. That means I have eliminate a. So that's why I have 1 equals to a open bracket 2 minus 2 plus what bs. Already I've substituted the x. Then automatically a times 0 will now be what 0. I have 2b. Now to find b, now I'll divide both sides by 2. So I'll have 1 over b is equals to 2 over b. b 2 will cancel 2 here. Then b is equals to what 1 over 2. Now for me to find a, what will I do to make b to be 0? That means s has to be 0. So that b times 0, everything will be 0. So anywhere I see x, I'll put 0. So that's why I have what 0 minus 2 plus b times 0 is equals to 1. Now 0 minus 2 give us minus 2. So we now have 1 is equals to what a open bracket what minus 2 close. So to get the value of a, now I have to divide both sides by minus 2. So minus will cancel minus. A is equals to what minus 1 all over 2. So at this point I'll now substitute the value of a. My a now is what 1 all over 2. That's why I have minus, my a is what minus 1 over 2s plus yb is what 1 all over 2. You put it s minus what b. So it means that I'll use this 2 to open bracket. 2 times x will give me 2s. 2 times minus 2 will give me minus 4. So the correct answer here is what b. So if you see this question in this coming exam, the answer is b. Make sure you share the question correctly.